Hello guys, in this video we will take a look at 6 highly profitable online business ideas that you should try out. Without further ado, let's get started. The first idea in our list is starting a blog. Why? Let's look at some numbers and try to understand. As we can see, Huffington Post was sold to AOL for $315 million and HuffPost started as a news and blogging related website. Similarly, we could see that Treehugger was sold for $10 million and Ars Technica was bought by Condé Nast for close to $25 million reportedly. And Deadline Hollywood had a $10 to $15 million acquisition as well. And if you look at the top earning bloggers, we could see that it started top of $40 million per year for most, and Paris Hilton with $41 million. And if you are looking at the RPM values, RPM is the amount of money that we make per 1,000 views our blog gets. On the low end, we could receive around $2 to $5. On the medium end, we can expect to receive $5 to $10 per 1,000 views. And on the higher end, we can even expect north of $50. And these are the numbers for Google AdSense according to Alpha Investors. Now, if we are looking for a higher paying platforms like Mediavine, as we can see from a Passion and Passport, we could see that for roughly 175,000 page views they received, they earned north of $5,000. So this roughly converts to more than $28 per 1,000 views that our blog receives. Now moving ahead, some of the high RPM blogging niches include insurance and finance topics, home decor topics, gardening topics, etc. So why blogging? Because blogging is highly profitable. And blogging is basically a $100 business. If you can manage to skip a couple of coffees every month, you could start a blog. And above all, blogging is easy to start. You could get your blog set up in a matter of 30 minutes. The second idea in our list is to start a YouTube channel. Let's look at some numbers. As of June 2020, the highest earning channel was run by a 9-year-old named Ryan Kaji. It was a toys review channel and earned approximately close to $30 million in that year. And if you are looking at some of the richest YouTubers by their net worth, we could see Jeffree Star with a net worth of $200 million and Ryan Kaji and Dude Perfect with close to $50 million. And if you are wondering how much money could you make for around 1,000 views on YouTube, according to Influencer Marketing Hub, it was around $18. And how much can a YouTuber with 1 million subscribers make? On average, according to Smallest Trends, they could make around $60,000 a year. But the top people like Ryan Kaji used to make $30 million a year. But on the average, it's said to be close to $60,000. And if you are looking for the most profitable YouTube niches, according to Jack Zhao, the top ones were the make money online topics, social media marketing topics, finance and investing topics, educational videos. And above all, YouTube is free to start. There is no startup capital that is required to start a YouTube channel. The third idea on our list is self-publishing on Amazon Kindle. Mark Dawson in 2015 made more than $450,000 as a self-published writer. And in 2019, Kindle paid out more than $300 million to their authors as part of their Select Global Fund. And if you are expecting how much percentage royalty can you make, you will be able to make 70% royalty on your books priced between $299 and $999. And if your book is priced below $299 or above $999, you will be able to make a 35% royalty on the books that you sell. And if you are wondering what are the top genres to sell, it includes romance, crime, thriller, religious and self-help, children's books, fantasy, sci-fi, etc. So as you can see, the fiction-related topics sell the most compared to non-fiction topics. And self-publishing on Kindle is free. And apart from selling your own ebooks, you can even publish paperback versions as well on KDP. The fourth idea is starting an online store. Disclaimer: this is the hardest of the 6 ideas we discuss in this video. But on the other hand, starting an online store has the highest earning potential. There is no limit to how much we can earn from an e-commerce business. Let's look at some numbers now. As you can see, according to the Sarka post, an average 3-month-old e-commerce store makes over $63,000 in monthly revenue. This increases to $127,000 per month for a 1-year-old store and $352,000 for a 3-year-old store. Now, these are few of the most popular online stores built on Shopify. Shopify is an e-commerce drag and drop platform where anyone can start a store of their own. As we can see, Fashion Nova, Gymshark, Allbirds are few of the most popular stores. Let's now see how much they make annually. The estimated annual revenue for Fashion Nova was $293 million according to Brojo. And the annual revenue for Gymshark was 175 million euros in 2019. Now, these are few of the most profitable niches to start a store on. They include health and grooming products, food items, groceries, electronics, office products, tools, car accessories, toys, etc. And in order to start an online store, you can use Shopify or BigCommerce. They are two of the most popular drag and drop type store builders available. As we can see, the smallest plan for Shopify starts at $29, while that of BigCommerce starts at $29.95. That is, the cost of starting an online store is relatively higher than the previous ideas we have mentioned, like starting a blog or YouTube channel and self-publishing. But the profit potential of running an e-commerce store justifies this higher starting capital requirement. The fifth idea is to start a podcast. The top podcast earners include Joe Rogan with $30 million, Karen and Georgia with $15 million, and Dave Ramsey at $10 million. And according to thebestmedia.com, an average podcast with about 10,000 downloads per episode can expect to make between $500 to $900 per episode. The average earnings for a 30-second advertisement to 1,000 active listeners is about $18, and the average earnings for a 1-minute advertisement is around $25 as per podcastinginsights.com. Apart from the high earning potential, podcasting is a growing industry with an expected reach of 117 million US listeners as of 2021. Few of the common popular podcast topics include talk shows, true crime, and investigative journalism. The other topics include comedy, news, sport, and health, among others. In order to start a podcast, you can expect to invest around $15 per month for a good podcast hosting provider and another $50 to get the minimal equipments. The final idea in our list is to become a freelancer. This is not a scalable business model like the other 5 to be precise, but freelancing has become a popular and profitable career choice for a large amount of people in the recent times. With shifting work cultures, freelancing stands to get more mainstream and profitable. Thus, we wanted to add this as well to our list of ideas. As a freelancer, you can expect to earn around $20 per hour on average. Some skills generate higher returns. For example, freelancers working in web development, accounting, legal, and marketing areas can expect to earn $28 per hour on average. Please note that with relevant skills, you can easily start earning $100 or more per hour on popular freelancing platforms. Few of the highest paying freelance jobs include copywriting, web development, digital marketing, videography, etc. And few of the top websites for finding freelance work opportunities are Doctal, Upwork, Freelancer.com, Fiverr, Guru, etc. The main advantage of freelancing is the ability that it provides to choose your own workload. You get to decide how much to work or how little you want to work. Moreover, you can choose the work that is more meaningful to you, and you can also decide to charge your clients as much or as little as you want. In short, you get to be your own boss. To conclude, these are the top business ideas we have discussed in this video. They were starting a blog, starting a YouTube channel, self-publishing on Kindle, starting an online store, starting a podcast, and becoming a freelancer. If you are looking for free ideas to get started, YouTube channel and self-publishing are the ideas you should try out. If you can afford to skip a couple of coffees every month and invest around $100 on your blog, you will be able to make a decent passive income online. And if you have big dreams of running a multi-million-dollar business, starting an online store might be the best fit for you. You can expect to earn unlimited income online through your own stores.